My name is Paul. I joined Infosys 2 years ago, hoping to make a real difference. I joined a project for one of Europe's largest banks, part of a bright team of project managers. Someone small, but hoping to do something big. Only that seemed so hard. We were supporting a very complex architecture, and it took months to make the tiniest of changes. I knew I had to change that. So I started to study their landscape. It was their mainframe that was slowing them down, and I knew we had to automate the software development lifecycle for their mainframe. When the bank's group CIO visited us, I showed her how I wanted to speed their software testing first and make their application building more agile too, and that would make it so much more easier for us to bring new conveniences for their customers. I waited with bated breath to hear what she'd say. Yes, we could put our plan to work. Today, the bank's SDLC is 30% faster. Of course, I'm not stopping here. We are now working on ways to make banking simpler for consumers. It's the mindset, not the mainframe, that ties a business down. I should know. I am now on the bank's Innovation Council for Mainframes.